Looking to take control of your finances, SoFi offers a suite of free budgeting tools to help you manage your money effectively. With SoFi Relay, you can link all your financial accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and even investments to get a comprehensive view of your financial health. The platform automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to track spending and identify areas for improvement. One standout feature is the ability to set monthly spending targets. SoFi Relay helps you establish realistic goals and notifies you if you are at risk of overspending, keeping you on track towards your financial objectives. Additionally, SoFi Relay provides a credit score monitoring with weekly updates, giving you insights into factors affecting your score and also tips for improvement. All of this is available for free with no hidden fees or premium tiers. Whether you're aiming to save for a big purchase, pay down debt, or simply gain a clearer picture of your finances, SoFi's budgeting tools can help you achieve your goals. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure you hit a like, drop a comment, and subscribe because that really helps us out with getting out more insightful, helpful videos.